Hey guys, it's Thomas here. Today I'm going to take you on the trip around Singapore.
In this vlog I will show you top 6 fun things you must do when in Singapore. We'll start by exploring the amazing architecture of Marina Bay. Then we'll pay a little visit to the Cloud Forest and the famous gardens by the bay. Have the world's cheapest Michelin Star meal, enjoy the amazing city landscape at night and finish off with a visit to a very impressive Singapore zoo. Now sit back and enjoy!
So we are at the Garden by Bay, and the next attraction that we're going to is the Cloud Forest, for which we have paid 19 Singapore dollars. Yeah, it does look pretty incredible, and the best impression is when you walk in and suddenly that mist and cold air hits you in the face. What a nice feeling that is. You can also learn a lot about the flowers here, if you're interested. Every botanic plant comes with some information about its name, common name, and the origin. The walk is actually a pretty thrilling experience, walking about 30 meters above the ground. This is a very informative visit actually. I feel like I'm back at school. For example, did you know that stalagmite grows at the rate of 1 centimeter per 1,000 years? Isn't that amazing? The views are absolutely breathtaking, and the architecture here in Singapore is just beautiful. To escape the heat of the middle of the day, and we are going shopping. But before we're gonna go shopping, we're gonna stop by at the Michelin Star food stall, which actually used to be a food stall, it's not anymore. It has expanded into a restaurant since the chef was awarded a Michelin Star. It's actually hard to believe that it used to be a single food stall with one guy cooking, and this is what it looks like now. Soy sauce chicken noodles. The food has finally arrived. Soy sauce chicken noodle. Now, try that chicken. Tender, huh? Alright, that was very good. The chicken was super tender and nice. I recommend this place. However, you need to know that you will wait a while for your food to arrive because the place can get pretty busy. Now, it is going for a little treatment there, and let me just tell you guys that if you're planning to do some shopping here in Singapore, you can also claim 7% tax of the goods that you've purchased. All you have to do is just go to the special place at the airport, special point where you can get your 7% back. I think the only condition is that you have to spend at least 100 Singapore dollars. So what we're doing now is going to the Marina Bay to get some nice photos and videos of a city at night. And let's see what happens. Let's see what it's gonna be like. Today we're in Singapore Zoo. This is how we're gonna spend our last day in Singapore. And the first attraction, first animal that we are looking at.
It's just behind you.
Just behind you there. My first impression of the zoo is it's really good. First of all, I was not expecting how much freedom animals can have in the zoo. There are no cages. They run freely, whatever they want. Well, at least the monkeys. So, very good impression so far. Wow, it's that monkey with the funny nose, isn't it? Awesome, I'm gonna have so much fun today.
Okay, I'm not a zoo expert, but the Singapore Zoo seemed pretty impressive. The collection of animals was huge, and the best part of it was that many species weren't even kept in the cage. You literally could reach out and pet one of them, but of course you shouldn't. Anyways, it seemed pretty cool to be so close to the animals, which in nature would be quite difficult to encounter. And when you're feeling tired of walking, just hop on one of those little trains. They are everywhere. Singapore is full of fun and interesting places, but if you're visiting only for a couple of days, just like we did, I hope you found this video helpful in deciding what to see and where to go. Also, if you're new to my content, remember to subscribe for more travel and kitesurfing videos and leave a like to help me grow this channel. And I will see you in the next one.
Come on, throw the mistake there. See? He likes it.